Hello class 10 students. So once again in this video we are going to see some of the important programs as per the textbook. So on the blue screen C language editor you can see one program I have written. It looks a little complicated but let's just go through it. This is C language students and it is used for creating programs. Now on the first line what I am typing is a program to demonstrate the char data type program. You can see I have written /n star. It is used for commenting, so these things will not be printing in output. So this way we can give any comments or any description before we write any program, and that description or comment will not be seen in the output. Here you can see I am highlighting the printf statement. You can see %C and %D. C means character will be printed and D means its integer value, that is ASCII code, will be printed. So the variable gender, you can see gender we have defined character type, that is single character. But when we print the variable, that is answer, number, all these three variables, when we print C, then their character will be printed. And for D you can see 65, 60 and 50, these are their ASCII code. Each key on the keyboard has unique ASCII code. So using C language we can display them. You can see small m, capital M, gender and answer variable I am displaying. You can see small m and capital M and their ASCII value 109 and 77 respectively. Number 1 you can see their ASCII is 49. So when you do %D of any character type variable, then you will have their ASCII number. That's it. This program demonstrates only that one. You can see gender variable we are printing 2 times. I have written 2 times gender. Students, we have another program. Let me show you. So the second program I will type from the beginning. Let me delete this. You can use the shift arrow keys and press delete in order to do this. We'll also remove this code. So this much code is very necessary, as I've described in the first printf video, that to include file clrscr and getchar are necessary. Now we type the 3 variables, integer a, b and minimum. This program will give minimum from 2 given values. So we give minimum is equal to, one condition will write, if variable a is less than b or equal than b, then this is the syntax, that is the rule, we have to type question mark, then we print a variable, otherwise b variable. So this is very simple. First the condition is if the value of a is less than or equal than b. If the value of variable a is less or equal b, if the condition becomes true, then variable a will be printed, otherwise variable b will be printed. So with this condition we can use, some error is that you can see %D should come without double quotes. So you can see, I have not initialized the minimum value. So minimum value I have to give, let's give minimum is, we have to give a and b variable. A is equal to 100 and b is equal to 50. So you can see minimum will store 50 because we are checking the condition. If the a is less than b, condition becomes false, then b will be printed. If the condition becomes true, then a will be printed. So let's give condition, and condition true, then a, otherwise b. So second condition will write, if a is less than b, yes, then 10 will come. Again, if a is less than b, no, then b will come. You can see minimum value is 5. So it's just checking the condition, and according to the condition is true or false, we are showing the output. So program 1 we show the character, second one we show the this one condition, and third one is very important. We are seeing the if else statement. A little complicated program, but let me go through it. These are header sections. This is main file where execution starts, declaration part. One variable we have taken per, and we have initialized to 58. Now this is our first condition. If this condition is on the above is true, then remaining this will be executed. Only one will be executed at a time, not all conditions. Otherwise, if the percentage is greater than 0 or less than 100, then this will come. If the percentage is minus or greater than 100, Then what excel we will take, that you can see after the else part. I will read the else part. You have entered wrong value in percentage. Please enter the value between 0 and 100. So we'll see these conditions. If person is greater than 70, then A, for greater than 60, B, 35, C, and then less than 35, F grade. So I hope you have understood these very simple conditions, but we have taken many times. This is if we give mistake in giving the percentage value less than 0 or greater than 100, then computer will show this message. Otherwise, if everything goes fine, we enter the percentage greater than 0 and less than 100. You can see double ampersand, it is taking two conditions. So this program main concept is how we can combine two conditions with the help of double ampersand. Okay, so we have taken 4 conditions, and you can see this is the else part. When we run this, you will be able to understand this. So students, let's run this program. I think all the line is very clear now. If percentage, this is the condition, if condition becomes true, then whatever I have printed, like you have secured A grade, you have secured B grade, as per the condition, as per the value of percentage, the output will come. So for 70, A grade, greater than 60, less than 70, B grade, greater than 35 marks or percentage and less than 60, C grade, or less than 35, F grade. So percentage is 58, you can see. So 58 is not greater than 60, it is greater than 35. Now let's take 73. So first will be coming, let's run this program. You can see A grade is showing. Now let's change the percentage value to 63. Let's say more than 60 or less than 70. We give 763. So you can see on the screen its B grade is printed. In the case of 35 to 60, let's say 38, you can see C grade is coming. So students, you can test the programming language, C language we are doing, and as per our value, the message is shown to us. We have taken one percentage variable and we have given so many conditions. Based on the conditions, you will see. Hello class 10 students.